Lucid dreams. Oh, I'm dreaming. Even in my dreams, still ugly. You want to learn how to lucid dream? So did I. After battle after battle, after dream, I still haven't succeeded in lucid dreaming. Still didn't have that lucid dream. So I decided to make an entire day dedicated to lucid dreaming. Basically, everything I'm going to do that day is going to increase my chances of lucid dreams. And here I'm going to share that with you. Let's begin. So, you wake up. What do you do now? You're going to close your eyes and then you're going to tell yourself your dream. What did you dream? Go steps backwards. What were you thinking of? Why? What happened before that? What happened before that? Then until you reach everything you could possibly think of. Now, after you told yourself your dream, you're going to write it down. Remember, this is important. Write down your dreams. First thing you want to do is spend 1 hour outside. I can't do that because it's raining today, but basically, this will help you get melatonin. This melatonin doesn't really help you much with lucid dreams, but it does help you achieve a longer REM cycle, basically where dreams happen. So you're going to have a longer dreams. That is also going to affect the longer the dream, the more likely it is for you to lucid dream. So yeah, go outside for 1 hour immediately after you wake up to get into this zone of light and day in your body. Oh, you went outside. Now it's time to read what you wrote about your dream and try to find everything that's related to the previous day. Why did you dream it? Write it down. Analyze your dreams. This will help you get in the zone of why you dream the things you dream. Now you analyzed your dream, you went outside, and now you're feeling a bit hungry. You're ready to have that breakfast, but you don't know what to eat. Well, let me tell you what to eat that will help you lucid dream. You're going to eat foods that are rich in vitamin B6 or B12. This can be fish, a banana, eggs, a bunch of things. Yeah, just type online foods rich in vitamin B6 or B12. These will make your dreams more rememberable. Now you had food. Now it's time for mindfulness practice. Basically, what you want to do is practice your awareness on something, maybe even like a clock. Watch how a clock moves. Just practice being mindful, being in the present. Research has shown that people who practice mindfulness, like meditation and yoga and stuff, have more frequent lucid dreams than those who do not. So that is why if you want to lucid dream, it's good to practice mindfulness, and it's good for mental health as well. What you do is exercise. Move your body for an hour. This will help you again with melatonin, and it's gonna make your sleep better. What you want to do now is spend 1 hour reading a fantasy book. Research has shown that, I mean, they asked people, but yeah, they've seen that children who read fantasy books are more likely to lucid dream than those who read any other kind of books or who don't read at all. So that is why you should read fantasy books, at least for an hour. What you want to do is do yoga for 40 to just do yoga for an hour. Basically, what this does is researchers found that people who do yoga have an increased supramarginal genius. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But that part of the brain is active during lucid dreams, but it's not active during ordinary dreams. So the higher that part of the brain is, the more likely you have the ability to lucid dream that day. So if you increase it during the day, it might, it's gonna stay increased. maybe during the night. That is why you should do yoga for 1 hour. For the same reason, just a different part of the brain, you want to spend 1 hour doing, writing in cursive really fast. So spend 1 hour writing just a story you already know in cursive or something. This will, I forgot the name, I think it's inferior parietal lobule. I think that's how it's pronounced. Yeah, you're just gonna write in cursive, and this will increase that part of the brain. I said that before, but yeah. Couple of hours, you're hungry, and now you wanna eat. Again, eat your lunch with foods rich in vitamin B6 and B12. You've eaten lunch and you're ready to become creative. Now, this might surprise you, but making music will help you lucid dream because, for the same reason as the previous one, it will increase a part of your brain that is active during lucid dreams that isn't during ordinary dreams. I think it's called the precuneus, something like that. And you making music is gonna help you, get it activated and stronger. For the same reasons, and probably the most important part of the brain responsible for lucid dreaming, the prefrontal cortex is a part of your brain that discusses logic and other stuff, which I'm sure you've heard of before. To increase your prefrontal cortex, it's best to just play games, puzzle games. Play a game of Sudoku for 1 hour, and it's going to increase your prefrontal cortex. So yeah, just play puzzle games, and that will help you lucid dream. Who says games are bad? You're going to go to sleep, and you might forget how it feels to be dreaming. That is why, right now, after you played puzzles, you are going to read all your previous dreams. The dream you wrote today, and basically just going to read your dream book to understand what it's like to be dreaming. Okay, this will not maybe help you lucid dream, but it will help you have a good night rest, which means it's going to help you have a good dream, which means you're gonna have increased chances of lucid dreaming. So what you want to do is just take a hot, steamy, relaxing shower. Just take a shower. It's time for dinner. Again, eat food rich in vitamin 6 and vitamin B12 and B6. Because you're going to sleep very soon, read a fantasy book again to help get in this relaxed state of mind. Here comes the end game. What you want to do now is you want to set an alarm for 7 hours after this hour. Okay, just do it. It's going to be important later. So, now turn off all your artificial light. Turn on that one, and on the phone, turn on night mode. Just any artificial light you can find, just turn it off. It's probably going to be the weirdest thing you ever heard. But what you want to do is close your eyes and scream your thoughts. Just scream at the top of your thoughts that you are going to lucid dream tonight. Just scream it into your subconscious mind. I found this on r/lucid dreaming, so it's not very scientific, but it will help you because the day I did this, I actually managed to get a lucid dream. So just close your eyes and just say, I will lucid dream. Now comes a mantra that you want to repeat. This is basically you telling yourself, getting it in your head like a placebo effect, that you are going to lucid dream. Remember, believe it. That is important. Just say, yeah, I will lucid dream tonight. Yeah, I will lucid dream tonight. Something like that. Just act like you believe it. And maybe eventually you actually will believe that you will lucid dream. You want to do something called guided meditation. I'm going to link you in the description below a video by a great lucid dream YouTuber that's basically going to follow you through how to meditate to have a lucid dream. Now you want to click this and watch it. After that, you want to fall asleep. Now, there's a lot of trouble falling asleep. Some people might just lie down. What you want to do is just 4-7-8 breathing. This is basically you breathe in for 4 seconds, you hold for 7 seconds, and you breathe out for 8 seconds. And you repeat this, and you will fall asleep in just 5 minutes. Now, for the alarm, well, yeah, it's going to wake you up now. It's been like 6 maybe hours, 5 after you fell asleep. Yeah, fell asleep. After you fell asleep. Now, you want to go to another room, not your bedroom. Go to just a living room or something, and you want to play Sudoku puzzle because, as I said before, the prefrontal cortex is the most important thing when it comes to having lucid dreams. Now you want to then, after like playing it for 1 hour, you go back to sleep in your bedroom, and what you want to do is repeat this to yourself until you fall asleep while still saying this. I know when I am dreaming. Just, I know when I am dreaming. I know when I'm dreaming. And you're gonna fall asleep saying, I know when I am dreaming. And that is basically it. I forgot to mention one very, very important thing. You need to do reality checks during the day. Basically, this. Whenever you talk to someone, you want to do a reality check. Basically, whenever a conversation starts, you're going to check if you have 5 fingers. If you don't have 5 fingers, you are dreaming. If you do, you are not dreaming. That's it. That is the entire, routine you need to do. If it doesn't work out for the first day, you can just repeat a routine. This will most certainly, I think, make you lucid dream if you do it in a week. Like, there is no way I can think of that this will not succeed in 1 week if you do it repeatedly. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. This is my first video, so sorry if it wasn't as good as it could have been. I'm new to all this. So yeah, support me by subscribing, liking this video, and of course give me feedback on maybe I was wrong somewhere or you want me to talk about something else. Goodbye.